The bathroom is most likely the first place you visit in the morning. And what's a better way to start the day than opening your drawer and seeing everything right where you need it? Now, before we open this drawer, let me show you the before and after of this organization project. In this drawer, I use compartment drawer organizers. They basically have different sections so you can keep everything in its place. Also, a divider system will help bring function to a drawer. These are small individual acrylic cases that I got from IKEA. I like these because they have covers and they keep everything clean and dust free. Drawer dividers are a good way to house makeup that you use on a daily basis. You can easily see what you have and everything is right there at arm's length. Moving on to the next drawer, the dividers can be used for anything that you need. You can keep any medicine that you want to take first thing in the morning, face pads, cotton balls, or just necessities that you think you would use every single day. They all can be kept in their section of the divider and you don't have to worry about them moving around. Here's a view of both drawers after they were well organized. Now, let me take you through the organization process since I did not record that part. This is how the drawer looked when I started. So what I did was removed everything from the drawer and declutter, and I got rid of things that were not needed. Then I compartmentalized the drawers by using tray dividers. You also want to take measurements of your drawer just to make sure you get the divider that fits. The items were then placed back into the drawer and I placed them into each section of the divider based on their size. Also, make sure you use a drawer liner so your tray divider will not move when you close the drawer. This is one of the deeper drawers on the same vanity. This is how it looked before, and as you can see, a little organizing does go a long way. Now I have something special for you, just a little bonus. Here is a way to display your perfumes and all of your smell goods. Now this is a mirrored round tray that was purchased at Home Goods. You can use this tray for a lot of things, but just placing your perfume on here just makes the whole bathroom look so elegant. Just picture you setting the mood by lighting your candle at night, running a nice warm bath. You can also throw in some of these soap petals. You can read your book, listen to some soft music, sip on some wine, all while taking a warm bath. And when you're done, you have all of your smell goods right here. This is one of our favorite scents. This is Body by Victoria. You have to try it. Now this is my mom's creation. She organized this tray, so I give all the credit to her. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Please make sure you like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Just a reminder, I do upload a new video every week, so if you do not want to miss any of my videos, please make sure you click the notification bell and you will be the first to know when I upload a new video.